Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. And in this video, we'll see how can we insert an image to our file, DWG file permanently. So let's say I want to insert a table that I frequently refer to, like this table. Okay. So maybe I just, I can take a snapshot and then I just save it, or even directly I can paste it here. Okay. I can just paste it here. But this one, this one will not be available later on if I open the drawing in another um, let's say another PC or somewhere else. So this won't be available, okay? Because this one is currently referring to a certain file and then it's displaying here, okay? So any change to that file, that the JPG will reflected here on this device only. Okay. In other devices, it won't be available. But I want it permanently to be here. So let's say you can test it. So let's leave it here. And I have already have that on my clipboard. So let's open Paintbrush. Paint, and then open the paint and just put it here, just paste it, and then we just cut from here. Okay, select the whole part and just say Control X to cut it, and then we paste it over here. Paste it here. Okay, okay, it's pasted. We can increase the size, okay, as we like. Okay, increase the size, and now this particular one is permanently visible in any device you open it. This will be always there. Okay, so go to the properties, you check it. This is high is embedded, okay, type embedded. And in this one, if you go and check the properties, it's static. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, so this is not embedded and this is embedded. Okay, so this one is permanently embedded here, this one is not. So this is the difference, and this is how you can embed logos, or when you create your layout you can embed logos and other images like this, and you upload it at whenever you embed it, it should be high quality so that it's not staggered or there is issues with the display. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Have a great time. Bye bye.